First of all, thank you for taking my class to see what instructions has been left for the students. It's just a matter of visiting their class page. So it's a matter of clicking on this video here, which we obviously have done so. And it's first of all, you need to go back to your home page where you have your day's timetable and click on that particular class. So, for instance, you would particularly say click on say Year 9 Maths. So that will take you to that student's class page, and that's where you'll be able to see my instructions that I have left for the students. There could be some links to videos. Unique thing about my videos is these have interactive nature about them. The students are expected to watch and answer, and it is recorded, so I am able to check on them. Also, it might send them to other links to their unit page where they might find some more documents. Usually some files here may be relevant in the instructions as well as other videos as per instructions. And if I go back to the original screen, so which was back here, I also have got a seating plan, um, and all the seating plans are usually in alphabetical order, so it should make taking rolls a little bit easier for you. So once again, thank you. And if you wish to leave some feedback, you will have to first of all press the modify button. So you can press the modify button. That will allow you to leave some feedback. So it's just a case of clicking on here and didn't work this time. Just typing the students worked well. Or any student that you might have identified as needing some discussion with their teacher, just use the seating plan to identify the student. So thank you once again for that. Oh, first of all, you press save and that will record the instructions or the feedback from you. Thank you very much. Bye.